sometimes I genuinely forget it's not real sky. That's how magical it actually feels. I am very happy I discovered sunroof.
Okay, what made you go for the sunroof?
Since the shape of my home is a little rectangular, it's a little, it's wide, but it's also very rectangular. It tends to get a little dark, and it wasn't possible to break and add windows in a few spaces. So one day I was just going through Instagram and I came across sunroof, and it instantly caught my attention as a convenient solution to get light into my home. I've always believed that a home shouldn't just look beautiful, it should also feel beautiful emotionally, in terms of energy, physically. It should uplift you. And for me, natural light has always played a huge role in that. Wo sunlight wali feeling, It just adds so much positivity to a space. I was amazed with just the concept of bringing sunlight indoors in spaces where it's not possible to have it. So I reached out to them and we had a meeting. They understood my requirement and I understood that, they're using a different kind of tech. So I planned for it to go in 4 areas of my house: my mandir, my Brahmastan, the Ishan Kona has to be lit, living areas on both floors. My God, what a world of a difference it's made after I've had it installed. I have to say, it doesn't look or feel like just lighting. It actually feels like daylight pouring in from the sky. It just changes your entire mood. It makes the space feel open and lit in the true sense of the word. I really love how the light subtly changes colors. It's not static and it maintains brightness through the day, just like the sky. So, the lighting changes from morning to evening, bringing a lot of realism. And I absolutely love the fact that the lighting is soft. It doesn't feel like lights and it uplifts the mood of the entire room. So as someone who's really into wellness and mindful living, I can say that sunroof has brought the energy of natural sunlight into my home. I'm thrilled with it. It's made such a positive difference. And sometimes I genuinely forget it's not real sky. That's how magical it actually feels. I am very happy I discovered sunroof. They really gave me a solution to my problem. Heartfelt gratitude for bringing light into my life.
How do your guests respond to the sunroof?
Well, to be honest, till I don't tell them that I have changed the lighting, they just say, oh, what a beautiful home you have. Oh, my family members have definitely noticed a big difference because they knew how the space looked before sunroof came in. Otherwise, when I have guests, they just come in and they're like, oh, this is so bright and it's so beautiful, your home. So till you really don't tell them, they'll never really notice that this is an installation. And that is a huge compliment because it doesn't look like there are lights. It's just the effect of sunlight coming in.
According to you, is sunroof the perfect way to bring life into the dark spaces?
Absolutely. If there are dark spaces in your home, you know that this is a one-stop solution to bring light into that space. And you must avail of it because there are many homes where you cannot break and make a window. So this is a very easy, quick fix method and will definitely bring light into your life.